Welcome to the exercise classroom, anatomical, biomechanical and practical exercise education. Today's lesson, Dumbbell Fly. Introduction. The dumbbell fly is a compound upper body exercise that primarily targets the chest muscles through horizontal shoulder adduction. Unlike pressing exercises, the elbows remain in a relatively fixed position throughout the movement, emphasizing movement at the shoulder joint while minimizing elbow extension. The dumbbell fly is commonly used to develop the pectoral muscles, improve shoulder mobility under control, and complement pressing movements in chest training programs. Body contour benefits. The dumbbell fly primarily develops the pectoralis major, contributing to greater chest size and muscular definition. The movement also engages the anterior deltoids and stabilizing muscles of the shoulder, helping create a balanced and well-developed upper body. When performed with proper technique, the dumbbell fly can enhance the appearance of chest width and upper body symmetry. The movement. Joint action. The primary joint action during the dumbbell fly is shoulder horizontal adduction as the arms move toward the midline of the body. During the lowering phase, the shoulders perform controlled horizontal abduction while the elbows remain slightly bent and relatively fixed. Functional benefits. The dumbbell fly strengthens the chest through a large range of shoulder motion, improving muscular control while complementing pressing exercises with greater emphasis on the pectoral muscles. Exercise execution. Starting position. Lie flat on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Press the dumbbells above the chest with the palms facing each other and maintain a slight bend in the elbows. Keep the feet flat on the floor and the spine in a neutral position. Movement. Slowly lower the dumbbells in a wide arc until a comfortable stretch is felt across the chest while maintaining the elbow position. Reverse the movement by bringing the dumbbells together in the same arc above the chest through shoulder horizontal adduction. Ending position. Finish with the dumbbells directly above the chest without forcefully pressing them together. Maintain control and prepare for the next repetition. Proper technique. Maintain a slight bend in the elbows throughout the movement and move only at the shoulders. Lower the dumbbells under control and avoid excessive stretching at the bottom. Range of motion. Lower the dumbbells until a comfortable stretch is felt across the chest while maintaining shoulder stability. Raise the dumbbells until they are directly above the chest without allowing them to collide. Most common mistake. Straightening or bending the elbows excessively during the movement changes the exercise into a pressing motion and reduces emphasis on the pectoral muscles. Muscle mechanics. During the upward phase, the pectoralis major contracts concentrically to produce shoulder horizontal adduction, with assistance from the anterior deltoid. As the dumbbells are lowered, these muscles contract eccentrically to control shoulder horizontal abduction and the descent of the weights. Throughout the movement, the rotator cuff muscles stabilize the shoulder joint, the forearm muscles maintain grip on the dumbbells, and the trunk muscles help keep the body stable on the bench. Primary movers. The primary muscles responsible for producing the dumbbell fly are the pectoralis major, which performs shoulder horizontal adduction, and the anterior deltoid, which assists throughout the movement. Together, these muscles generate the force needed to bring the arms together during the lifting phase while controlling the movement during the lowering phase. Other muscle roles. Antagonists. The posterior deltoid, latissimus dorsi, and teres major oppose shoulder horizontal adduction during the lifting phase. Synergists. The coracobrachialis assists the pectoralis major and anterior deltoid in producing shoulder horizontal adduction. Stabilizers. The rotator cuff muscles stabilize the shoulder joint throughout the movement. The biceps brachii helps maintain the slight bend in the elbows, while the forearm muscles maintain grip on the dumbbells and the trunk muscles stabilize the body on the bench. Biomechanical considerations. Moment arm. The shoulder moment arm increases as the dumbbells are lowered, making the exercise most challenging when the arms are near shoulder level. Resistance curve. The dumbbell fly provides the greatest resistance through the middle portion of the movement, with reduced resistance near the top as the dumbbells move directly over the shoulders. Shoulder position. Maintaining a slight bend in the elbows throughout the movement helps reduce stress on the elbow joint while keeping the load on the pectoral muscles. Movement control. Perform the movement in a wide, controlled arc while avoiding excessive shoulder extension at the bottom to minimize unnecessary stress on the shoulder joint. Training effectiveness and optimization. Select an appropriate resistance. Choose a weight that allows proper technique and a full range of motion without compromising shoulder position. Control the movement. Perform both the lifting and lowering phases slowly and under control to maximize muscle activation and minimize momentum. Maintain consistent elbow position. Keep a slight bend in the elbows throughout the exercise to maintain tension on the pectoral muscles and reduce unnecessary joint stress. Progress gradually. Increase resistance gradually as strength and technique improve while maintaining proper form. Safety and injury prevention. Avoid excessive shoulder stretch. Lower the dumbbells only until a comfortable stretch is felt across the chest to reduce unnecessary stress on the shoulder joint. Maintain proper elbow position. Keep a slight bend in the elbows throughout the movement to reduce stress on the elbow joint and maintain proper muscle loading. Use controlled movement. Lift and lower the dumbbells in a slow, controlled manner to maintain proper technique and reduce the risk of injury. Select an appropriate resistance. Choose a weight that allows proper form throughout the entire range of motion without sacrificing control. Variations and alternatives. Incline dumbbell fly. Performing the exercise on an incline bench places greater emphasis on the clavicular, or upper, fibers of the pectoralis major. Decline dumbbell fly. Using a decline bench shifts the emphasis toward the lower fibers of the pectoralis major while maintaining the same movement pattern. Cable fly. The cable fly provides more consistent resistance throughout the range of motion by maintaining tension on the chest muscles from start to finish. Pec deck fly. The pec deck machine guides the movement pattern, providing greater stability while effectively isolating the pectoral muscles. The dumbbell fly is an excellent exercise for developing the pectoral muscles while improving shoulder control and upper body stability. Understanding proper technique, muscle function, and biomechanics can help maximize chest development while reducing unnecessary stress on the shoulder joints.